This video is about the Deere D-series hoods that always break the pins. And the reason the pins break is that there's too much leverage from the hood at the pivot point when the hood is all the way open. So if somebody leans on the hood when it's open, like they're doing an air filter change or something, it'll snap the pin. If somebody whips the hood open abruptly, it'll snap the pin. So what I do is I square this off with a Dremel and a saw or a file, so I can get a straight shot with a drill. I use a 13/64 drill through here so I can get a 1/4 inch by 3 inch carriage bolt in, and then I will chuck the carriage bolt into my drill and go up to my belt sander and grind this down until I'm at 3/8 of an inch, and then you'll thread this in. You'll mark your center line, so you're 4.5 on each side to give you an overall of 9, and you can adjust it either way if you need to, and you'll be good to go. Alright, thanks. Like and subscribe.